Beauty's when you just got out the shower. Hair still dripping, wrapped up in a towel. Beauty's when you're ready in an hour. Them long legs, I call them the Twin Towers. You put that.
I'm gonna say where I grew up because.
Hey y'all. So I'm back. Okay, it's like 2 days later. I got my wax from the Wax Lounge. You guys definitely have to check her out. She's amazing. I love her. I'm gonna insert her maybe here. And yeah, so now as you can see, my nails are a mess, so I'm about to go handle that. I fixed my hair. You guys like it? I've been wearing these to get in the mood because you know what, hold on, today has been a movie already. Okay, we woke up, everybody that's going on this trip, oh my gosh, my eyebrow still has to be done. We woke up, all of us that's going on this trip have a, you know, we have a group chat, and we woke up to some oops. Like, that's the easiest way, like, to on simpler terms, like, one person, first of all, something happened to their passport, something happened, like, it was just so much going on. And then this morning somebody was like, oh, did anybody else's flight get canceled? My flight got canceled. And I'm like, damn, this is tough. Like, what does this mean? I talked to my ancestors last night, like, what does this mean? And then I checked my email and my flight was canceled too. So I was like, oh no, because you know, I'm in the East Coast and we're expecting this big storm tomorrow. Today, it starts today. That's why I'm trying to hurry up and go. I was supposed to have a client, but they canceled and they don't want to get stuck in the snow, so I'm like, you know what, I'm cool, I gotta do what I gotta do. So yeah, that is what's going on right now. It's really crazy right now. My lips a little, it looks a little ashy, but then they're moist. So yeah, so long story short, we thought about many ways. We were gonna leave from a different state. I mean, we still are leaving from a different state. I was just gonna go like a day later because I couldn't be bothered, like, you know what I'm saying? But we got a plan, and thank you to everyone who's helping me get to my destination, because I have so much freaking content to like take. Like, I'm really going there to work, like, to be honest. So I was like, I have to go regardless. Like if I have to go a day later, so be it. I just have to get my flicks, I have to get my pics, my videos. Like, what do you mean? So yeah, we're gonna be leaving from another state. We're gonna be leaving from New Jersey, which is fine. It's like an hour away from me, and yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna film myself getting my last finishing touches. I just took off my tips because no, I don't wanna, I always like get anxiety about my nails, I guess, especially when I'm going to new places. I just don't want, like, God forbid, anything. Like, I want to be able to, I'm weird. You guys see this will probably be only part 1, and you'll probably see week 6 with this, and part 2 will come out next week. So yeah, stay tuned. Happy holidays. Hi guys.
That's how you know you gotta go.
Right. Right. Hi Ash. Happy birthday!
It is my birthday.
Happy birthday!
December 1st, December 31st. It's Tijuana's time.
Yes. Where are we going?
Final destination, Tulum, Mexico.
Ooh. Okay, I'm like doing. Look at my freaking lash coming off, guys. Guys, I'm so tired. I have not slept. I literally had to knock out on the way here in the car. I didn't complete the first half of the vlog, so if you see me going back and forth, you see what's happening. But y'all see that I did it. Y'all see, right? But yeah, we're on the way, and it's snowing. Ridiculous. Hey guys! We got energy! Yes! Well, we're trying to get our ride. We had a little complications. I'm not gonna speak on the negative because it's fine. Like, everything's fine. But yeah, we're on our way.
Say that he got some Mexican boyfriend.
Oh!
Mexican boyfriend.
Y'all heard it here first, folks. So I'm gonna check in back with you guys after we do like shopping. We'll probably bring you guys there, and then we're gonna head back to our B&B.
He's not like we have time to kill.
This is not how I start. Look at this.
No.
Look at this.
Absolutely not.
Look at this. This is not real.
Absolutely.
Hold on. I'm in here. First of all, I don't even care.
In your room.
You want me and you wanted to share bed in one room. Excuse me?
Absolutely. Wait, is this the shower?
Yes.
No!
Nah, no way.
Why do you think you get this room?
Look. Okay, and then he has this. Oh, there's two beds. I'm sorry.
I think you and yourself are having a great time here.
Oh, this is so cute though. Say hi, Ash.
I was done busting my ass.
It is. This is not good for a drunk night. Okay, I'm doing a tour. Does anybody have a lighter? I could do sage. But yes, welcome to our casa. Facts. This is our kitchen. Yes, sleep with me in my room. Okay, I'll finish the tour later. I just have to take a shower. Hello? Thank you. This is my room. Let me turn on the lights.
I'm also not tired, but I'm tired, but I can also get fucked up.
Is it a pool night? Yeah. I keep yelling, I'm sorry. Hi, neighbor. Look at my tub. Get the fuck out of here. Y'all know I'm in here, right? Anyways, a bad bitch. Ryan. And then this is my shower, which is calm. I turned on, oh, there's a light over here. I'm about to take a shower though, and then I can finish the tour, because this is a massive home.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, no trust. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip away. Don't let that love stay low. Don't let that get away. Don't let that
don't know what that was. But yeah, it's day 2. I'm doing a little light beat for the beach. Let me tell you guys what has been taking place thus far. Okay, so basically yesterday, all of our flights, first of all, all of our flights basically got canceled. Majority was, at least, or moved. So we all figured it out. We still made it because it was a big snowstorm, right? I'm just putting powder because, like, I don't care. I just don't want to look like oily right now. But I'm not about to contour and do all that extra ish. Or maybe I do a little light contour. Every time I just begin with doing my brows, and I'm like, okay, this is all I'm gonna do, I always end up doing more. Like, it never fails. But anyways, and I didn't wash my brushes. Ay, cochina. So yeah, anyways, so we get here. Well, like 3-4 of us get here. Then, mind you, we're coming from different states. So then it becomes an issue for the car, for those of us who are in. The other 2 got like even more delayed. Like, I think there was like no more flights coming out of their state. Like, it was just a lot going on. Then what happened? Then so we had issues with whatever, renting our car because the initial plan didn't go that way, blah, blah, blah. So it was like a whole lot of naysaying going on, like, and we persevered. But one thing I will say is, when we got the car, all right, we thought we checked it properly. However, there was something wrong. And we realized, we went to the gas station to get water or whatever. And then we realized, one of the taillights are not working. So now we already had a rough day. And we still waiting for 2 of our friends. So we're like, okay, our destination is 2 hours away from the airport. Like, what the fuck do we do? So whatever. Of course, we're just there because it's late now. We figured that out and we're like, okay, fuck it, like, we'll deal with that like another day, like probably tomorrow, basically. So we finally get them, go to the house. Then as soon as we get to the house, it's time for us to go back and get them. So we're like, fuck. So we go and get them, and basically when we get them, after having a hard time finding them, the fucking police pulls us over. So yeah, if you're a no, I'm not into the police. It doesn't matter where I am. I'm not into them. It could be America, it could be Africa. Like, even though the places that I'm naming, like, are new tourists who know they're terrible. Please. By the way, I'm in Mexico, so you don't want to go to Mexico jail, right? If you go to Mexico jail, you're done. So yeah, we're all just like, And he pulls us over because of the taillight. He lets us slide because he realizes, like, yo, it's your first day here, blah, 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 blah. And we're all just like, this cannot be happening. Like, this legit cannot be happening. So whatever. He lets us slide and he tells us, like, to be safe. So we're like, cool, we're gonna make it home. We're gonna do this in the morning. And we had plans last night too before we got here. Good thing that we got rid of those plans, cause where were you going? Really? Like, really, where were you going? And yeah, so we're here now. We're here now. Everything's peachy. And I'm just doing anything right now to my eyes. I don't want any crazy makeup. I think we're supposed to go out tonight. I have to check something. So yeah, that's what the vibe is right now. We're about to just chill out for the day. We had a rough day yesterday. We want to get some food. You know, we got acclimated with the house last night, and that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to bring y'all on tour real fast before we go outside. Capiche?
You should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted, boy. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip away. Don't let that love stay wrong. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip. Now, don't let that love don't let that get no, don't let that slip. No, don't let that get don't let that slip.
Hey, girl. Good morning. Yes. Yeah.
Don't let that slip away. Don't let that love slip.
Good morning. You guys been in the pool already? We're supposed to be going to the beach, right?
Where's Jarrell go? Jarrell!
Yes. Hello.
Hey.
Hi, Jarrell. Good morning.
Good morning. What's good? Right up here.
I'm definitely gonna have me some. Huh?
Y'all picking up now?
Yes.
Flamboyant. I know.
Straight up, but the rest swerve. You know it's beauty when a smile is her best curve. That's real beauty, no makeup shit. The girl you dream about and wanna wake up with.